Google just teased Apple in a new video where they try to pressure them to get Apple to finally adopt the RCS standard for their messages from iMessage. The video is about making an alleged presentation of a device called iPager. Basically, it is a beeper from the past where you simply received very simple text messages, referring to the fact that Apple currently communicates with Android devices through text messages only, and they do not want to incorporate this new standard that allows you to send images, videos, receive confirmations of the message read, and similar things. Google has been trying for more than 3 years to pressure Apple to integrate this new standard that would also allow encryption and group creation for all these platforms. However, Apple has never listened to Google or felt pressured, nor do I believe that at some point they will integrate this new standard because Apple has its own standard with iMessage, where they are integrating more and more unique features for iPhone, which would be very difficult for other Android manufacturers to start implementing, and Apple would have to wait for them. Overall, I see it very difficult for Apple to actually use this system. The video is about 72 seconds long and appears to have been released specifically now that the iPhone 15 is coming out, and also the iOS 17 update has been released for all iPhones.